combination of resistance. Okay. So in this particular part, combination of resistance, we will discuss about what? Two combination. One is called series combination, another one will be parallel combination, right? So in series combination, we will discuss about both in series and parallel combination. First, we would like to know about the meaning of equivalent combination. Okay, what does it mean of saying equivalent combination or equivalent resistance? That means in series combinations, what we try to do, we try to know the effective resistance against more than one resistors connected across a certain potential difference. What does it mean? For example, if I show a circuit like this with two resistance taken together attached with a battery like this. Okay, this is R1, this is R2. Or this is one example of more than one resistors taken together forming one series. For example, if I take two resistors like this, they are connected to a battery of a certain potential difference like this. Okay, suppose applied voltage is something V. Suppose we are taking resistors like this. So this kind of arrangement of more than one resistors taken together applied across a certain potential difference. Are you getting me? When more than one resistors are connected in one closed loop across a applied voltage across a certain potential difference, this indicates about the meaning of combination of resistors. Like in first case, R1, R2 in series. In this, I can write down in this diagram R1 and R2 are in series. Okay, in second one I can write down R1 and R2 are in parallel, are parallel. And in third diagram, both series and parallel combination, both series and parallel combination available. So here I can see in one arrangement there are resistors with series arrangement. I can see another one where only parallel, and a third type of circuit where both series and parallel combinations are available. Now question arises what is the use of taking more than one resistors in one circuit? What is the significance or importance of more than one resistors? That means the net current drawing either it is the case, like whatever be the situation, if I take the current drawing in this or the current drawing in this or the current drawing value in the third circuit, right? So current drawing in each circuit depends on the effective resistance, the single resistance which can replace these two or more resistance taken together in one circuit. Are you getting me? The value of, importantly I can write down the value of current I drawn from the battery depends on the value of effective resistance or equivalent resistance. Okay, how much current that can be drawn from the battery in any one of these circuits will be depending on the net value of resistance, effective resistance or single equivalent resistance. Now question arises then, what is the meaning of this effective resistance? Effective resistance is the single resistance which can draw the same value of current I as it can be done by the given resistances available in a circuit. Is that okay? Are you able to understand it? What does it mean of saying the effective resistance against a certain number of resistances connected across a battery?